Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check and show you about the following mini cars here: trucks, airplanes, etc. So now let's check with me, and I will show you about my first interesting cars here. Okay, now I bring one and show you. The first one is my favorite racing car, number 95, red color. You can see this one looks so cute. Okay, so now let's check the next one. This is a cute bus. You can see the cutest bus, pink color. Now check the next one. Nice bulldozer. How about this? Super motorbike. This one is also a police super motorbike. You can see police super motorbike. Okay, now check the next one. Hero Captain America. This one is a little Hero Captain America. How about this? Do you know this? Okay, this is a car's transporter. Number 23. How about this one? Mini truck, everybody. A bigger truck, yellow color. How about this? Mini airplane. You can see a cute airplane. How about this one? Mini excavator. Everybody, this is a mini excavator. How about this one? Racing car, green color. How about this one? Broken logistic truck. Okay everybody, so now thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye, good luck.